You probably use WhatsApp every single day. I mean, we all do, right? Think about it for a second. It's essentially become the central nervous system of our daily lives. It's our makeshift office for quick work updates, the family gathering space where everyone shares baby photos, and the social club where we plan our weekends. Because it's so deeply ingrained in our psychology, in our daily routine, we tend to accept it exactly as it is, right out of the box. But I bet you don't actually know the hidden settings buried inside. Today, in this explainer, we're going to unlock 5 secret features that are going to completely change how you use this incredibly popular app. We're transforming you from an everyday user into an absolute master of your digital communication.
So it's a fair question to ask yourself. Do you really know WhatsApp? You might think you do because, well, you open it dozens of times a day. You send messages, you forward memes, you make calls. But beneath the surface of that familiar green interface, there is a whole ecosystem of powerful hidden settings just waiting to be discovered. Most tech companies rely on a very specific behavioral quirk. They know that the vast majority of us will never, ever change the default settings. We just accept the app exactly as it was handed to us. But today is all about taking that control back. It's about customizing the tool to serve you, rather than just playing by the app's default rules. Okay, let's dive into this. Most people are stuck in a cycle of passive use. They use the app strictly for basic chatting, treating it like a standard text messaging service, and that's exactly where their engagement ends. But a power user knows that dipping into those hidden settings can dramatically improve your life. We're talking about reclaiming your peace of mind, significantly boosting your privacy, and actually saving your phone's precious storage from getting completely maxed out. We're going to leave those average passive habits behind right now and start unlocking the serious benefits that come with truly mastering your technology.
Section 1. Activating Ultimate Stealth Mode. Let's be honest here. Sometimes you just want to use WhatsApp privately. You don't want the anxiety of being perceived online or the pressure of people tracking your every move. We all know that feeling of someone noticing you were online 5 minutes ago and wondering why on earth you haven't replied to them yet. It's a very modern kind of digital anxiety. Well, taking back your digital footprint is surprisingly easy. Here is exactly how you do it. You just dip into your settings menu. From there, tap into privacy. Next, find the last seen option. By default, people can see the exact time you were active. The magic move here is to change that setting to nobody. It's literally that simple. Now, no one can see when you were last online and you are officially off the radar.
Moving on to our second secret. And honestly, this one is a bit mind-blowing. We all have that one friend who treats WhatsApp like their own personal podcasting platform, right? They leave those rambling 6-minute voice notes. And if you've ever feel cornered when they send you one of those epic audio messages, because you know the exact second you play it, they're going to see you listened and expect an immediate, equally long reply, well, this is going to be your new favorite workaround. We're calling it the crazy voice note trick.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the elegant workaround it provides to that exact problem. If you don't want someone to know you listen to their voice note, all you have to do is forward that voice note directly to yourself in your own personal chat. Yes, you can actually message yourself on WhatsApp. Once the audio file is sitting safely in your own private chat window, you can listen to it in complete privacy. The brilliant part about this whole shebang, the original sender will absolutely never know you hit play. That dreaded blue microphone icon won't trigger on their end. The social pressure of having to drop everything and formulate an immediate reply is completely gone. You can listen on your own time and respond on your own time.
So the crucial point is that true stealth mode isn't just about hiding your activity from your contacts online. It's also about absolute physical security in the real world. Think about how often you hand your unlocked phone to a friend or a coworker just to show them a funny photo or a video. There's always that sudden, quiet spike of panic that they might accidentally or purposely swipe out of the photos and right into your private chats. To prevent that, you need to lock the app itself. Go back to your settings, tap on Privacy, and scroll down to App Lock. Turn on Fingerprint or Face Lock. By doing this, you've created a physical vault. Now, even if someone is holding your unlocked phone, there is no way they can open your WhatsApp without your specific biometric approval.
Section 2. Reclaiming your phone's storage.
Let's shift gears from privacy to a totally different kind of headache, your phone's physical limitations. And this brilliantly illustrates how WhatsApp acts like a massive digital hoarder behind the scenes. It's one of the most common and maddening frustrations in our modern tech lives. Over time, it quietly collects heavy files, videos forwarded from relatives, endless voice notes, and massive photo dumps from group chats. It hoards all of this until it completely dominates your device. One day you go to take a quick photo of a sunset or your dog, and boom, you get that dreaded storage full pop-up. It causes unnecessary anger, frustration, and it even slows your entire device down because you're left with barely any free space.
Let's move to and see how this builds into a really easy fix, because you absolutely don't have to delete your precious text memories or wipe out entire conversations to solve this problem. Here is your targeted strike to clear that clutter. Open up your settings, tap on Storage and Data, and then hit Manage Storage. This specific menu is an absolute lifesaver. It gives you a complete breakdown, showing you exactly which chats are hoarding the most space. And here is the aha moment. Instead of deleting a whole thread with a friend, you can tap into it and selectively delete only the heaviest video files or duplicate photos. You get to keep the meaningful text memories, but you finally ditch the digital bloat that's bogging down your phone.
Section 3. Silencing annoying group chats.
Are you tired of useless group messages? Man, we have absolutely all been there. Our next superpower is all about reclaiming your sanity, your focus, and your peace of mind. We really need to talk about notification fatigue. Every time your phone buzzes, it pulls you out of your flow state. You get added to a group for a single dinner party or a weekend event, and 3 months later, it's still buzzing in your pocket with dozens of messages that have absolutely nothing to do with you. The mental toll of that constant interruption is just exhausting. It fragments your attention all day long. So let's apply the ultimate cure to permanently silence those chaotic groups.
This is incredibly fast and wonderfully easy, but it is deeply effective. Step 1. Open up that annoying, chaotic group chat. Step 2. Simply tap the mute button. And Step 3, which is the most important one, bypass the week 8-hour option. Ignore the 1-week option. Go straight for always. Boom. Done. It is incredibly empowering to permanently cut that digital noise out of your day. No more pointless buzzing in your pocket. You can still go in and read the messages whenever you actually want to on your own terms, but you have stopped the app from actively interrupting your life.
Section 4. Your new power user status.
Look at what we've accomplished in just a few minutes through this explainer. You are no longer just a passive participant accepting the default settings on your phone. Let's flush out this transformation. You now command an invisible online status protecting your digital footprint so no one knows when you're around. You have the ability to listen to rambling voice notes completely in secret, removing immediate social pressure. You know exactly how to audit and clear out your phone storage without sacrificing your meaningful chats. You've permanently silenced chaotic groups to protect your focus. And you have locked your personal chats down tight with biometric security to keep snoops out. You aren't just tweaking an app, you're curating your mental space and establishing real digital boundaries.
So I want to leave you with this final thought to reflect on. Which trick did you like the most? Actually, scratch that. More importantly, which of these digital boundaries are you most excited to take back today? Take a moment right now, open up your phone, and make that one change that's going to have the biggest positive impact on your daily routine. Let me know in the comments below which setting you changed first. And if you learned something new today and feel more empowered over your digital life, don't forget to like and share this explainer with someone who really needs to clean up their digital habits. Until next time, take control of your tech and stay curious.